Hey again, welcome back on this tutorial about LibreOffice Writer and how to use images. We have here 4 images. We have here an editor in order to see how big are the images, and here is LibreOffice in order to insert images in that. So we have a forest here, forest 1, and also we have a forest 1 small with a small resolution. Why is that important? It's important because if we want to insert a picture like that, insert image, and we insert a forest like that, it's a good quality. Okay, so now everything looks very well. But if we insert now the small picture, okay, so with a bad resolution, if we increase, you can see we have a very bad image. We don't want that in our document. Okay, so what we need to remember is that we need already good pictures for our documents. If we want to use small pictures like that, what you need to remember is that you don't increase that size, only if you keep that size or decrease like that. Okay, for a small image is very nice, but not to increase like that because we have a very bad resolution already. Okay, let's go further. We know how to insert. We go to insert image. We have seen that. It's very easy to insert an image. It's very logic how to use that. Let's see another way. We have this image and we drag and drop here. Very easy. Another options, right click, copy, right click, paste, and everything is done. And another option is to go to insert, media, and from here you go to scan and select the source in order to get image from your scanner. In my case it's not working because I don't have a scanner, but let's wait for the window to appear. Okay, so you will get this window, and from here you select your scan document. Okay, so now let's insert a picture, a good quality picture with elephants. What we need to remember is that LibreOffice is not a photo editor, so don't wait for it to make special effects and so on. There are some tools like you see here. We have also crop and other tools, but LibreOffice is not prepared like a photo editor. It's just a document writer. Okay, so let's undo everything and let's talk about another tool we have in order to prepare our documents for printing. We have this image here. Let's anchor as character in order to arrange that. Very easy. So let's anchor as character. Let's insert some text, some dummy text. And let's remove the language, check spelling. Okay, so we have that document and we want to see how this document will look like on printed. But we have a black and white printer. How our document will look like? We have a tools for that. We select the image and after that we go to grayscale. Okay, so we know how the document will look like when printed in black and white. That way we will know if the document looks right or we have to do some adjustment. So let's remember some tools for inserting. We have insert image. We have also a copy and paste here. We have also drag and drop, and we can insert from media scan. Also we have media gallery. Let's insert media gallery. We open that gallery. Also we can open from here. Let's remove that image and let's insert some image from gallery. Let's insert this B. We can also create some space between text and image, like that. Let's move the image so you can see we have that space, that nice space between image and text. And if we want to remember not to use small images like before, and for that image also we can use grayscale to see how that will look on printer for black and white. Okay, let's insert this drop, water drop, and let's see black and white. So go to grayscale, and that's all. So this was first tutorial about images. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for next video. Thank you.